This is the new GoPro Hero 12, and it is going to change the game literally forever.
Most capable, most feature-packed hero camera ever. This is Hero 12 Black.
Social media content creators, they only need this now. And I'm going to explain to you why. I bought this GoPro with a chest mount to create POV videos for you guys so I can take you along while I take photos. Now I look pretty silly with this. Definitely not going to be winning any sort of awards. However, I wanted to test out if this was going to be a better interaction with the public instead of waving a camera in their face. Turns out even with a GoPro attached to your chest, people still really don't want to take a photo with you.
Excuse me,
But some people didn't even notice that this was attached to my chest. It made interactions with strangers so much easier. Sometimes they'll look down and realize that there's a camera pointing at them, but some people didn't even notice that it was attached to my chest, and even if they did, they were very comfortable to talk to me still because I wasn't waving a camera in their face. And I was able to record some really cool and unique interactions while I was out in the city taking people's portraits. Now that's the reason why I got a GoPro, but it's not the reason why I got the 12 instead of getting all the other older versions. I did, however, want to test out the internal mic. Honestly, it is great. I didn't have a mic attached to it. It handled wind noise on a motorbike on a highway. And it also picked up my voice when it was attached to my chest.
I like this shirt here. Something about cafes. It always look good.
But that's still not the reason why I got the Hero 12. One of the reasons is the fact that it has log profile now, which is absolutely huge for videography. It takes a very flat profile of whatever you're recording and you can apply your grade or your LUT later on. And while that feature is great, this is the reason why I got a GoPro Hero 12 instead of all the other GoPros on the lineup. It is because it shoots vertical video. But I mean like vertical as in, you know what, I'm gonna show you. This is horizontal. This is now vertical. I haven't even touched it. As you're seeing here, let's do it again. This is horizontal, and now this is vertical. I haven't done anything. I haven't touched it. How insane is that? Like, do you understand how insane that is? That feature alone is the reason why I picked the Hero 12 outside of all the other models. So if you're wondering if you should have a GoPro Hero 12 in your camera bag, then this is definitely a good enough reason to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and stick around for more videos.